What's up guys? CodeMate TV is now online. Once again, I was really busy, but I prepared something really cool. I found a solution for scraping data, and today we want to scrape Google Trend, okay? And then I'm gonna plot this interesting chart, maybe. Is it a line graph or something? I don't think so. It's a maybe bar chart. Yeah, I'm just thinking about the IELTS task one. I don't know. What should I call this? Is it a graph chart or maybe a bar chart? No matter. We just want to scrape data, and we know that there are some interesting numbers and values which are important for us. So let's get started. Okay, first let's check out how data is released in or maybe on Google Trends. And I just searched for web scraping on worldwide for the past 30 days, as you can see. But you know, Google is not easy, and you know what I'm talking about. It's gonna be a big deal, to be honest with you. And if you finally find a way to scrape data, they definitely change the CSS selectors. They block your IP. Yeah, it's a bit challenging. I'm not saying that it's not doable, but you know, it is expensive for time, for money, infrastructure, buying proxy. Okay, but also I have to say that this website is I mean, you need to use maybe Playwright, Puppeteer, Selenium, because it is JavaScript rendering website. Data is released and created and maybe uploaded to the website by running JavaScript in background. So we definitely need a Chromium or something like that. And then let me show you what I'm talking about. And for example, 82, if we look for 82, when we want to parse data, for example, you can see that we have five. Oh my God, you cannot see this line. Yeah, I don't know what should I do right now. Wait. Okay. So now we have 584, number 82. Okay, I just searched for it, but let me show you something. Oh my God, what am I doing? If we click on view page source, and if you look for 82, you just find 782. It means that it is rendering and using JavaScript in background. Okay, so maybe it's one of the way that you can understand how data is released. Okay, also you can check out their APIs. To be honest with you, it's not clear and it's weird. So how we can scrape these interesting numbers? One of the biggest challenges in web scraping is getting blocked by the website, but I found a perfect solution, and it is brought to you by my kind sponsor Scrapeless. Scrapeless offers fantastic options, and no matter if you are automating data collection or you're just a data scraper, Scrapeless has got you covered with its interesting tools and options. One of their cool features is scraping APIs. It helps you extract all publicly accessible data as easily as possible. And that's why I'm gonna use their Google Trends APIs for this video. Their scraping browser is mind-blowing. This interesting and reliable option is able to mimic human behavior when it comes to browsing the net. And it has the ability to set a proxy, both residential and data center, with ease. Don't forget to check out their proxies as well. And also I have to say that they have a web unlocker which is in beta mode, but you have to give it a try if you're interested. They offer flexible pricing for their tools and scrapers, and also they give you a free trial if you're new to Scrapeless. And I have to say that they have a fantastic support team on Discord, and I will put the link in the description below. If you're serious about web scraping and looking for a reliable partner, give Scrapeless a try. Okay, once you registered, you can either buy some subscriptions, or maybe you can hit the free trial plan. And I'm gonna select Google Trends, and wow, we have many things here. I don't want these filters for past 30 days, and interest over time. I think wait, what? Yeah, and it is gonna be worldwide, that's why. Yeah, and my keyword is scraping. And let's see, can we scrape data by pressing one click maybe? Wow, it was a bit fast. Yeah, and it is crazy. Let me search another thing. Node.js. Crazy. So I'm gonna yeah, we can scrape data easily, and let me show you. You can download the data that you want here in JSON format, and sometimes in CSV based on your search and API that you're using. But also you can copy, but I'm gonna use their APIs because I'm a programmer. I'm not a normal user. I don't have a business, or maybe I don't want to analyze something on my Excel or something else. I need to integrate their APIs to my applications, maybe, because I'm a Python dev. Yeah. Anyway, so I'm gonna use Python, okay, and Python programming. And cool. So let me search for Python. And see what happens. Crazy. Okay, let me copy Golang, Node.js. I'm gonna work with Python and project. Let me create a maybe gtrend.py. I just paste what they put there. I don't want these filters. Python, okay, 1 month, maybe it is filtering. API key, don't use my API key, please. I'm gonna change it. Maybe not. You can test it if you want. No, maybe, I don't know. And also, yeah, it's going to print the results, okay, but I don't want this, and I'm gonna plot, but let's give it a try. You have to install requests first of all. Okay, and also JSON, you already have JSON, and let me run it. Ooh, nice. We need these values, okay, and because we want to plot this data. Okay, now let's see. I'm gonna save it first of all, because then I want to read it. As I said, here, instead of printing, I'm gonna just use the line that I always use, because I prefer JSON, but many people prefer CSV. But I think JSON is more readable, maybe sometimes, but not always. And yeah, so yeah, first we need to convert it into dictionary, and directly using JSON dump, we save the data, we show that we don't have AXI data, and we set the indent for 4 this time, and let's run it once again, and bam. Okay, crazy. It is exactly what we want. Okay, here. Okay, so now we need to use this data and plot it, and we need I think I need to use only this value. So okay, we need to go to interest over time. We need to parse this JSON data, and then here we can reach to timeline data, and then simply we go to value. So we need to first reach to this part, and then we make a loop and scrape or maybe parse all values. Okay, so I'm gonna use let me see, I'm gonna use Matplotlib pyplot, and you just have to install Matplotlib. I think it's the command is pip install Matplotlib, but if you don't know, you can easily Google it, and you can put your question in comment, and I will tell you how you can install maybe Matplotlib. Right now, I don't know, maybe I think it's pip install. Let's give it a try. Matplotlib. I think it was Matplotlib. Yeah, exactly. What am I talking too much? And yeah, also okay, we do not need datetime because it's gonna be just a simple graph, maybe line graph or chart graph. Let me comment this function. I'm gonna create another function such as maybe plotter. Plotter is fine, and it takes the path maybe, and then so we just need to pass out.json to it when we want to use it here. Okay, let's first test it. And it is gonna be out.json. So first we need to read this data once again. I could simply plot it here, but I just want to make my code a little bit more organized, and that's why I decided to use a separate function for this job. So yeah, first we need to read that JSON data. I'm just copying and paste because I just want to save time. Okay, and yeah, these are the syntax and codes that we always use in the previous videos, and if you haven't watched and you are new to this video, you can check my previous videos. I've showed really crazy stuff. Yeah, UTF-8. Okay, we want to read this data and just simply say that json.load. Okay, load, and yeah, so we have a data, and now for example we can say that print data. Okay, let me code a little bit faster. Okay, and it just what? Okay, oh, don't copy and paste your code. Okay, my bad. Yeah, we have a data right now, and for example we know that it is JSON, and for example we can say that I just want interest over time. Okay, and we can say that something like that. Okay, and for example we can go to timeline data. Okay, crazy. Yeah, we are going deeper and deeper and deeper, and now it is a list. So let's see. I just want the very first one. Let me first clear. Yeah, and for example if we say I want the value, crazy. So how we can make it dynamic, and I decided to use something like first we need to reach to this step, and then as I said before we need a loop, okay, to extract all values because we want to plot them. So I'm gonna say that values is equal to an empty list, and we do not want this part anymore, and I'm gonna say for entry in that timeline data I want you to append all values into these values. Okay, and that's it. And if we just here print values, we have everything that we want to plot. Theory. Oh, okay, for Plotting, I've already imported Matplotlib. I just want to use some lines. Okay, plt that show just show the plot, and for figure we just set the figure size 10 in 5, and also plt.plot does everything that we want. Okay, for the x side, for the y side, we have the values, we have the marker, line style. I mean, we use hyphen and color blue. You can change it if you want, and also you can change it if you want for I mean, for matching or maybe adding, and adding those parts together, combining maybe, or maybe connecting. Oh my god, English. Okay, and that's it. Let's give it a try. And yeah, exactly. Yeah, as you can see, for example, for each side, I said that okay, we only have 30 data. That's why we have 30 steps and parts here, and also the maximum number, I think it was 100. And yeah, and also you can zoom if you want. Matplotlib is crazy. Wow. Okay, and yeah, it was the same as we saw here. Yeah, exactly. And what's next? We're done. Okay, and now I'm gonna say that okay, we want something real time. Okay, for example, you want to show this plot in your website and you need real data. Okay, and just you need to put it in a loop. Okay, maybe later. And now it sends a request and the scrape data and plot it. Crazy. And that's it. Let me give it a try once again. And yeah, and if you want, you can change the parameter here. Okay, for example, Node.js maybe, and you can make it dynamic as you want. And that's it. Let me just check something. Yeah, I save the data in out.json. I thought it was a chart of Python instead of Node.js. And that's it. I hope you learned something interesting and helpful in this video from me, from this channel. And if you did, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button, because you know it really helps me to create more content for you. Okay, it's only for you. And I want to see you in the next video, guys. Okay, so goodbye for now.